the Science Guy. Bill Nye, the Science Guy. Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
What's up? It's me, the one and only Vicente Fuentes. Anyways, nerves are found in the peripheral nervous system, while neurons are found in the brain. Did y'all know that? I didn't know that.
The parasympathetic nervous system is one of 3 divisions of the autonomic nervous system, sometimes called the rest and digest system.
Did you know that 80% of what we taste is actually smell? Now you know.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Now you know, bitch.
The somatic nervous system is the part of the peripheral nervous system associated with skeletal muscles voluntary control of body movements.
The autonomic nervous system is the part of the nervous system that's responsible for the control of the bodily functions, not consciously directed, such as the breathing, the heartbeat, and the digestive process. You're welcome.
CNS stands for central nervous system, and PNS stands for peripheral nervous system.
Parkinson's disease is a disorder of the central nervous system that affects movement.
Motor neurons are a nerve cell forming part of a pathway along which impulses pass from the brain or spinal cord to a muscle or gland.
The object in this experiment is to show how you need both your eyes to see for sensory vision. And so I'm going to be standing right here, and Natalie's going to be standing right over there. And then I'm going to have the penny, and she's going to tell me when to drop it, and we're going to see if it lands in the cup. You ready, Natalie? Tell me when to drop it.
Okay, drop it.
So as you see it, make it in there. Natalie, just with her eyes to see.
Sensory neurons are nerve cells within the nervous system responsible for converting external stimuli from the organism's environment into internal electrical impulses. So I just want to let y'all know that the cerebrum is responsible for the integration of complex sensory and neural functions and the initiation and coordination of the voluntary activity in the body.
Cerebellum function is to coordinate and regulate muscular activity.
Medulla function helps regulate breathing, heart and blood vessel function, digestion, sneezing, and swallowing.
Meningitis is inflammation of brain and spinal cord membranes, typically caused by an infection.
Potential is a change in electrical potential associated with the passage of an impulse along the membrane of a muscle cell or nerve cell. Flick is an action that is performed as a response to a stimulus and without conscious thought.
The salutary conduction is the propagation of action potentials along the myelinated axons from one knot of Ravenir to the next knot, increasing the conduction velocity of action potentials.
Melanin is important because the oxygens of the neutrons have special membranes and maintain different imbalances in the positive and negative charges across the membranes like a battery.
There's a telegram for you, ma'am, and the message is clear. It says there's something bugging you and buzzing in your ear. The results can be quite itchy, so what is your reply? Tell your arm to swat that fly. Hey, there's a telegraph line. You got yours and I got mine. It's called the nervous system, and everybody understands those telegram commands, and you know that everybody better listen. The central nervous system is the brain and the spine. The brain controls the system and the spine is the line. Telegrams come in to tell what's happening to you. Then telegrams go out to tell your body what to do. There's a telegram for you, sir, better read it on the spot. It says your hand is near a stove that's very, very hot. The results can be quite painful, and there's no time to think. Quick, pull that hand away and get it to the sink. There's a telegraph line, you got your Your peripheral nerves, they go all out, delivering those messages your senses send out. From your hearing and touch to your sight and taste and smell, they let your brain react to all the messages they tell. There's a telegram for you, kid, and it's at an awkward time. It says you've gotta go on stage and you forgot your lines. You're gonna be embarrassed cause this telegram's a rush. Your heart starts beating faster and you blush. Hey, there's a telegram line. You got yours and I got mine. It's called the nervous system, and everybody understands those telegram commands, and you know that everybody better listen. The autonomic system has a hold of you, controlling automatically some things that you do. Your breathing and your heartbeat just go on naturally. And when you're scared, your nerves rev up the speed.